17, Dwayne had to leave his family's home in Menenberg, a part of Cape Town, South Africa, because of his stealing and addiction to heroin. He didn't go far, building a shack of corrugated metal in his mother's backyard, which soon became known as the casino, a place to use drugs. When he was 19, however, Dwayne came to saving faith in Jesus. His journey off drugs was long and exhausting, but he got clean with God's help and with the support of friends who are believers in Jesus. And 10 years after Dwayne built the casino, he and others turned the hut into a house church. What was once a dark and foreboding place now is a place of worship and prayer. The leaders of this church look to Jeremiah 33 for how God can bring healing and restoration to people and places, as he's done with Dwayne and the former casino. The prophet Jeremiah spoke to God's people in captivity, saying that although the city would not be spared, yet God would heal his people and would rebuild them, cleansing them from their sin. Jeremiah 33 verses 7 to 8. Then the city would bring him joy, renown, and honor. Verse 9. When we're tempted to despair over the sin that brings heartbreak and brokenness, let's continue to pray that God will bring healing and hope, even as is done in our backyard in Menenberg. How have you seen God bring restoration in your own life and the lives of others? How can you pray for his healing this day? God, thank you for sparking new life in what appeared to be dead. Continue to work in me that I might share your saving love with others.